Ever wondered how to make your own hair perfume at home? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We've all experienced the allure of a captivating scent wafting from our hair, haven't we? But often the commercial hair perfumes are costly and packed with chemicals. The solution? Homemade hair perfumes. They're not only cost-effective but also allow you to control what goes into them. That means no more worrying about harmful substances damaging your precious tresses. Plus, the freedom to choose your favorite scents. Now isn't that exciting? From sweet vanilla to romantic rose, refreshing strawberry to sophisticated Burberry, you can create it all in your kitchen. And the best part, the process is simple and fun. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone looking to add a personal touch to your beauty regimen, homemade hair perfumes are a fantastic option. So are you ready to learn about 5 amazing hair perfume recipes you can try at home? First on our list is a delightful vanilla hair perfume. This recipe is not only simple, but it also fills your hair with an enchanting scent of sweet vanilla. To create this hair perfume, you'll need half a cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, and if you're feeling adventurous, 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Distilled water is a great carrier for the rest of our ingredients. It'll ensure that our perfume is clean and free from any impurities. The star of our show, the vanilla extract, will provide our hair perfume with a warm, sweet, and comforting aroma. It's a scent that's universally loved and is sure to leave your hair smelling irresistible. Vegetable glycerin is a fantastic addition to our recipe. It acts as a humectant, which means it helps to retain moisture in your hair, keeping it hydrated and healthy. Plus, it aids in carrying our lovely vanilla scent, making it last longer. Adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil is an optional step, but it's a great way to personalize your hair perfume. Whether it's lavender for relaxation, peppermint for freshness, or rose for a touch of romance, the choice is entirely up to you. Now let's put it all together. Pour all these ingredients into a spray bottle and give it a good shake to combine them. And voila, your vanilla hair perfume is ready to use. You can spray it onto your dry or damp hair whenever you want to add a touch of sweetness to your day. Remember, a little goes a long way, so just a few spritzes are enough to keep your hair smelling divine throughout the day, and there you have it, a sweet and simple vanilla hair perfume. This deliciously scented hair perfume is not only easy to make, but also a treat for your senses. Now, aren't you excited to try it out? Next up, we have a sweet and soothing honey-infused hair perfume. Let's whisk up this fragrant concoction, shall we? Begin by gathering our ingredients, which include half a cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of vodka or witch hazel, and 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Let's talk about these ingredients for a bit. Raw honey, our star component, is a natural humectant that adds moisture and shine to your hair. It also carries a subtle sweetness that will leave your hair smelling divine. The vodka or witch hazel acts as a natural preservative, extending the life of your homemade perfume. And let's not forget the lavender essential oil. Its calming aroma not only relaxes your senses, but also promotes hair health. Now, onto the method. Start by warming the distilled water and honey in a small saucepan over low heat. Keep stirring until the honey dissolves completely into the water. Once it does, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool. As it cools, stir in the vodka or witch hazel. This will add a preservative effect to your perfume. Next, add in the lavender essential oil. The floral notes of lavender will mingle beautifully with the sweetness of honey, creating a soothing and captivating scent. Once all the ingredients are combined, pour your mixture into a spray bottle. Ensure to shake well before each use to blend all the elements together. And there you have it! Your homemade honey-infused hair perfume is ready. Spray this onto dry or damp hair, and you'll carry a hint of honey and lavender wherever you go. Not only will this perfume keep your hair smelling fresh, but it will also add a touch of moisture and shine thanks to the raw honey. Now you can enjoy the subtle, sweet fragrance of honey in your hair. Our third recipe is a romantic floral scent, the rose hair perfume. This elegant perfume is crafted from just 4 ingredients: distilled water, dried rose petals, rose water, and rose essential oil. To start, you'll need half a cup of distilled water. Distilled water is ideal for this recipe as it ensures that no unwanted minerals interfere with the scent. Next, you'll need a 1/4 cup of dried rose petals. These petals not only provide a beautiful aroma, but also contain essential oils that are beneficial for the hair. The third ingredient is 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water is known for its soothing and hydrating properties, making it a perfect addition to our hair perfume. Lastly, you'll need 5 to 10 drops of rose essential oil. This oil intensifies the rose scent and also nourishes the hair with its vitamin-rich composition. Now let's move on to the method. Begin by steeping the dried rose petals in boiling water for 30 minutes. This process creates a rose infusion, extracting the scent and beneficial oils from the petals. Once the steeping time is up, strain the liquid and let it cool. Next, mix the rose water and rose essential oil into the cooled rose infusion. This blend of ingredients creates a beautifully scented liquid that carries the romantic essence of roses. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle, and there you have it. Your rose hair perfume is ready. Remember to shake the bottle well before each use to ensure the ingredients are mixed properly. You can spray this perfume onto dry or damp hair, infusing your locks with a romantic floral scent that lasts all day. With this recipe, you can carry the romantic scent of roses in your hair. Fourth on our list is a fruity and refreshing strawberry hair perfume. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need. Gather half a cup of distilled water, a quarter cup of fresh strawberries, 1 tablespoon of vodka or witch hazel, and 5 to 10 drops of strawberry fragrance oil. The preparation is simple. Start by mashing your fresh strawberries. They are not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants that can help protect your hair from environmental damage. Once mashed, blend them until smooth. This process will ensure a more even distribution of the strawberry essence in our perfume. Next, strain the mixture to remove any seeds. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth application of our hair perfume. You certainly wouldn't want to be picking strawberry seeds from your hair now, would you? Now, mix the strawberry puree, vodka or witch hazel, and the strawberry fragrance oil in a spray bottle. The vodka or witch hazel acts as a preservative to extend the shelf life of our perfume. It also helps the fragrance oil disperse evenly throughout the liquid. The strawberry fragrance oil is the star of our perfume. It gives our hair perfume that delightful fruity scent that is sure to turn heads. Remember, the strength of the scent is up to you. If you desire a more subtle fragrance, stick to 5 drops. But if you're after a stronger aroma, feel free to add up to 10 drops. Once all the ingredients are in the spray bottle, give it a good shake to combine everything. And voila! Your strawberry hair perfume is ready for use. Just spritz it onto dry or damp hair as needed. This perfume will not only make your hair smell fabulous, but it will also give it a beautiful shine. The strawberries provide a hint of natural red color that subtly enhances the appearance of your hair. Enjoy the refreshing scent of strawberries in your hair. Last but not least, we have a sophisticated, earthy fragrance, the Burberry hair perfume. For this recipe, you'll need half a cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons each of dried lavender and dried rosemary, a tablespoon of dried thyme, and 5 to 10 drops of sandalwood essential oil. Let's dive right into the preparation. Start by steeping the dried lavender, rosemary, and thyme in boiling water for 30 minutes. This process creates a potent herbal infusion. The lavender brings a calming floral note, while the rosemary adds a bit of a piney, woodsy scent. Thyme, on the other hand, contributes a subtle, earthy aroma. Once the steeping process is complete, strain the liquid and let it cool. The straining process ensures that you're left with a smooth, clear infusion, free from any residual herbs that could clog up your spray bottle. Next, you'll be mixing the herbal infusion with the sandalwood essential oil in your spray bottle. Sandalwood oil brings a warm, woody scent that wonderfully complements the herbal notes, creating a fragrance that's reminiscent of a classic Burberry perfume. The sandalwood oil also has a soothing effect, adding an element of relaxation to your hair care routine. Give everything a good shake to combine the ingredients. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the essential oil is evenly distributed throughout the herbal infusion, giving you a consistent scent with every spritz. Before using, always remember to shake the bottle well. You can then spray it onto your dry or damp hair. This fragrance is not only going to make your hair smell fantastic, but it will also give you that sophisticated, earthy scent that's perfect for any occasion. And that, my friends, is how you make the Burberry hair perfume at home. Not only have you created a fragrance that's sophisticated and earthy, but you've also utilized ingredients that are beneficial for your hair. Each spray will transport you to a serene forest with its earthy, woodsy scent. And that's it, a sophisticated, earthy fragrance reminiscent of Burberry, right at home. So, what do you think of these homemade hair perfume recipes? We've journeyed through 5 fantastic fragrances, each with its own unique charm. The vanilla hair perfume, an enchanting blend of vanilla and your choice of essential oil, offers a sweet and comforting aroma. Then, our honey-infused hair perfume, with its soothing lavender notes, promises to leave your hair smelling subtly sweet. We also explored the romantic and floral rose hair perfume, a delightful scent that's certain to turn heads. The strawberry hair perfume, with its fruity and refreshing fragrance, is perfect for those sunny summer days. And finally, the Burberry hair perfume, a sophisticated blend of earthy herbs and sandalwood, offers a fragrance reminiscent of luxury perfumes. Each of these homemade hair perfumes is a testament to the beauty of DIY, simple, customizable, and absolutely delightful. Try these recipes at home and enjoy the benefits of a personalized hair perfume. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY beauty recipes.